Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate skincare clinic visits on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. That instead of you, one automated chatbot will reply to your patients immediately and book their appointment without you doing any manual efforts. For that, we are going to create this automated WhatsApp chatbot and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. But before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your patients in real time. For that, I am going to send one message to my WhatsApp business account of Skincare Clinic. Here I am sending my first message as, "Hi, I want to book a skincare appointment." As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that, "Hi there, welcome to Glowdom Skin Clinic. What service would you like to book?" While providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of services, that is hydrofacial, acne treatment or anti-aging therapy. Here I want to book a service for acne treatment, so I am selecting this. Then you can see it will ask me to share the date that when I would like to book my session. So I am sharing one date, then the timing. After that it will ask me for my full names. So I am sharing my full name as a test user. Then it will ask me for my contact number. So I am sharing one test contact number also. Then you can see I have received one customized message from my bot, which includes my name that I have shared as a test user, contact number, service type that I have selected from the list as acne treatment, date and time. So if you also want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot, then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here and the people who are facing similar problems just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. So if you also want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot and that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about all of these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. Check the description box for the video link. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate skincare clinic visits on WhatsApp in 10 minutes. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and inactive button. With the help of this button your flow will be active. If you don't enable this toggle, then your flow will become deactive and it will not reply to your user. And the another one is the save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so I am selecting this. You can also create your WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex, so I am entering the regex in this enter regex box. See, here I write, with the help of this regex, my bot will reply to the any message of my user that they were sent to my WhatsApp business account of skincare clinic. You can also use this regex. After that, now whenever my user will send any message regarding the appointment into my skincare clinic, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that, I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in three parts, that is header, body and footer. Where in this case, I am not writing any header or footer, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the body in this enter body box. That is, hi there, welcome to Glowdom Skin Clinic. What service would you like to book? Now I am going to write the types of services. For that I am clicking on this add section button, where I am going to write the section title as service types. After that I want to add the list of types of services, so I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. Here I am adding only 3 types of services, but you can add more. The process of adding items into your list would be the same. Here I added, that is hydrofacial, acne treatment and anti-aging therapy. You can also write the description in this enter description box if you want to. Here I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that I am connecting the starting point of my flow, that is trigger, to this message by clicking on this circle, dragging a line and connecting this line to this circle. Here it is connected. Now when my user will select the service type, then my bot will reply to them, but before that I am going to do the setup of one custom field tag. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field, drag this box here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as service type. After that in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is hydrofacial, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this service type. After that I am connecting this circle to this message. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field node here and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere you have to save your flow. If you don't save your flow and switch to the another tab, then all the progress of your flow will be lost. Now for creating this contact custom field you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. When you scroll down here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the field name here and also write the field description in this box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of service type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set this contact custom field node for this hydrofacial. Now I am going to do the setup of 2 more contact custom field node here for both of these services types. Here I added, you can see I have used the same contact custom field, that is the service type, but I only changed the value. At the end this will help my bot to provide customized message to my users completely based on their selected choice. Now when my user will select the service type, then my bot will ask them to share the date for booking the appointment. For that I am taking one ask a question button, drag this box here and writing a question in this enter message box. That is, when would you like to visit our clinic for your skincare session? For that I am going to select the contact custom field as appointment date. After that the format I select as date, then the number of attempt. Number of attempt is defined as how many times your user will answer the question that you have written here. It also means that whenever your user will not provide you answer in the correct format, then you have to increase the number of attempt for them. But make sure that whenever you increase the number of attempt, you have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempt as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that I am connecting all these 3 circles circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now when my user will provide me the date for booking the session, then my bot will ask them to share their preferred timing, full name and their contact number. For that I am again doing the same that I have done here. Here I added 3 more questions, where in this question I ask my user to share their preferred time. For that I have selected the contact custom field as appointment time. After that the format I select as any. Then in this question box I write that may I have your full name. For that I have selected the contact custom field as full name. Then the format I select as text. Then at lastly I ask my user to share their contact number. For that I have selected the contact custom field as contact number and the format I select as number. Then I provided the minimum and maximum value in both of these boxes. It is the default value for the number format. After that I am connecting all these questions to each other. Here it is connected. Now when all these process should done, then at last my bot will provide one customized message to my user, which includes their name, selected service type, contact number, appointment time and appointment date. For that I am clicking on this messages option and take button as text button, drag this box here and writing my respond message in this enter message box. That is, your skincare appointment is confirmed. Here are your details: name with dollar symbol, full name, contact number, service type, appointment date and appointment time. You can see I have used the dollar symbol in some fields because with the help of this my bot will reply to my users dynamically, as whenever my user will share their full name here, then with the help of this contact custom field not full name, my bot will capture their response and mention their name in this place. This is same for all of these contact custom fields. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate skincare visits on WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. If you face any difficulties on the creation of this flow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This automated chatbot will reply to your patients in real time like this. Done the process of booking appointments into your skincare clinic without you doing any manual efforts, and it is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.